In this video, we are going to fix the no sound issue on the TikTok application. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process. We are going to see a couple of things that might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you just need to make sure that you're not connected with any of the Bluetooth or any external earpods or any other output device. So that might be causing the issue that you are checking the wrong device. You're trying to play it on the mobile while you're connected to a Bluetooth earpods. So just check about that. You can disconnect the Bluetooth device and then it should work for you. But if that is not the case, what you can do is, there might be issue with the TikTok app itself. So what you can do is just go to the top right hand corner on the three lines and click on that. And from here we head over to the settings and privacy. And underneath the content and display options, you will select this option that says playback. Click on that. And if this option is toggled on, that says open TikTok on mute, that means whenever the videos on TikTok opens, it by default all muted. So you just need to toggle that off. And after that, you just reload the application and the audio will play automatically as soon as you open up the TikTok. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.